Good morning, good morning. I almost just fell over. It is cold and rainy. It's not necessarily raining, it's just kind of sprinkling, but it's still kind of raining. It's supposed to stop in about an hour or so, but you know how that goes. Anyway, we're back out here at Lake Murray. Thought I'd come out here today, see if I can replicate what I did the last trip I was out here. But hopefully we can get some good, get some fish today, and hopefully the wind doesn't ruin the audio, but here we are. I'll try to do my best to keep the camera clean and dry. Right now I'm throwing around a red crankbait, trying to get them fish active and moving. See what we can get on. Switch it up real quick and go back to, I want to go back to the throw the drop shot real quick. Lost it, wait. Hey, that guy that was walking down, did he have fishing poles?
Yeah.
Dude, that's why I picked up my pace. That's why I started walking faster, because he was walking fast behind us.
I was looking out into the cove and he was like right next to me.
Yeah, I looked behind me and it looked like he had a thing of shiners and a couple fishing poles, and I was like, oh. Yep. I've already lost 2 weights. 4 casts, 2 weights. This place is gonna be the fucking death of me. Did you lose the whole setup? Yeah, I just keep losing my weights. Dude, I lost like 7 weights on Monday when I was here. Just kept snagging and then popping off. Really. You break off completely?
Yep.
It's windy and wet. My goodness. It's not like raining, it's just like sprinkling. I don't know if you guys can hear it or feel it. Not feel it, but see it. Damn, man. Man, I didn't even feel that bite. Didn't even feel the bite. Just like sucked it in. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. There you go. Oh, come on. Come on. There you go. Got you. Yes. You want one of my worms? Okay. Nice fish. Nice fish. Second fish of the day. Man, I didn't even feel the bite. It felt like I was snagged. Just like pressure. And then it kind of pulled back. Oh, man, that one's fat. Look at that fat belly. Look at that fat belly. Little belly shirt. Nice fish. Nice fish. He's got a scar on his back right here. Looks like he got swatted at by a bird. Nice fish. Thank you, buddy. Second fish of the day. It's almost about the same size as the first one. Thank you, buddy. Let you go. There you go. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Second fish of the day. I got that. It's a, I think it's called like Midnight Special by Reactions Innovations, and it's this black and straight purple speck. I use it here because Murray is usually a muddy, you know, muddy lake. I didn't even feel the bite. It just felt like I was hung up on something. It was like pressure. And then it kind of pulled back a little bit. Let's see if there's another one out there. During the winter, they usually group up. Oh, let's see if there's another one out there. I almost hit that bird again, dude. Maybe I should go bird fishing instead. Try to keep this thing dry for you guys so you guys can see and all that good stuff. All right, let's do that again, huh? It's good stuff. What's going on, guys? It got a little rainy. I got a little wet. It got cold. Came back to the truck, trying to dry off, warm up. The rain's supposed to stop around 9, which is like 28 minutes from now. I think I'm gonna hang out for a minute, see if the rain subsides, which I'm hoping it does. But I don't know if you can tell, the windows are kind of foggy, but there's Eric and his van over there chilling, doing the same. Kind of foggy in here only because I had the heater on blasting, trying to dry me and my rain gear off. It's definitely wet outside. The gloves are soaking wet, which is always a given when it rains. My hat is actually soaking wet. This raincoat does great when it sprinkles, but when it rains, the thing just bleeds through. Anyway, we're gonna wait it out. Hopefully get back on the water here in a minute. I've already caught 2 this morning. Pretty stoked about it, actually. Let's see if we can do it again. Catch you guys out there. All right, guys, we are on the way to the next spot. We're driving to Baltimore Street, which is another part of the lake. It is way too far to walk. We've already put in a good share of walking. So we are driving to Baltimore. I still only have the 2, which I'm super stoked about. I actually wasn't expecting to catch anything. So it has stopped raining, but now that I've gotten back in the truck, driving to the next spot, of course, it starts to sprinkle. Hopefully it stops by the time we get to the next spot. Eric still hasn't caught anything. He is still struggling, still trying. He's getting there. We'll see what we can get on, and we'll see you at the next spot. Hopefully we can catch another one. Just one more. That's all I want. Maybe just one more. Maybe two. I want to get greedy though. I don't want to get greedy. All right, we'll see you out there. Just leaving East County Bait and Tackle, ECBT. Today was a tough one. It was a definite grind at Lake Murray. I still did, I got on my 2, which was great, stoked on that. And it was within the first hour and 15 minutes of us being there. And then it took forever. Kept grinding, kept moving spots with Eric, and then finally Eric got on a pretty good one, probably about 2-pounder, and then he took off to go do some stuff, and I stayed at the lake and kept trying and I didn't get on anything else. I had a bite, lost it. I'll probably put that in there. I did end up casting, I was using a drop shot most of the time, and I got a wind knot. And it just took it took 80% of my line. So I had to come to ECBT, pick up some 12-pound fluoro for my drop shot, and they didn't have my Seaguar red label or the maroon label, which is the Braze X stuff. Only 12-pound they really had was the Trilene 100% fluoro. It's the first time I'm gonna try it. I guess I'll try it, see what happens. So I'm gonna rig up, and I'll probably be back at Murray tomorrow, see if we can figure something out for tomorrow. But today was definitely a grind. It's wet, cold, and hopefully tomorrow is a little bit better. Thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and that like button. Peace.